Hey guys, how's it going? So this video is a warning about GreenPower. That's actually kind of a cool name in my opinion. GreenPower. But anyways, this is a warning video. There's a lot of things wrong with the stock, and there's a lot of wealth transfer between the people that got it at dirt cheap prices. So just to warn you guys, there are stuff in here that you are not going to like, because most investors I want to see the stock go up, and up, and up, and never go back down. But it's a penny stock, and penny stocks are very, very volatile, very volatile. Just to warn you. I know I'm gonna probably get some thumbs down for this video, but I would appreciate it if you guys gave me a thumbs up. But you probably, just my prediction, but I might get a lot of thumbs down for this video, but we'll see. Anyways, so first of all, the stock right now is overbought. But if we look back in the history, this stock was trading at 19 cents, 30 cents. You think that all the people that bought down here, you think that they don't want to sell eventually? They do want to sell. They do want to sell and take their profits, because the stock ran so much. It ran from literally, in March of 25th. Sorry, not March 25th. The stock was sitting at 20 cents. Now the stock is sitting at $2.17. Just to warn you guys that the stock is extremely dilutive. I mean, it's there's gonna be some massive profit taking, because those people that loaded up at 20 cents, they're gonna wanna cash in on the 1,000+% profit, because that's how much they're up right now. And for on the US side, the charts is exactly the same thing. Right now RSI is at 81. Usually when it's at 81, when the RSI is at 80, I usually put full caution, because usually there's a pullback. Like for example, you see how this RSI ran all the way to green, and then it went from $1.20, and then it pulled all the way back to 97 cents, and then now it's skyrocketed again all the way up to RSI of 81. So I think there could be another big run. We could see another run of another 20 cents plus. But after that, I would be extremely cautious of a pullback. Just, this is short-term trading mentality. I know I'm a trader, and I read charts, and the chart is telling me that there could be a pullback. There could be a big pullback. So just be careful. It's a penny stock. People like to protect their profits when it comes to penny stocks. So just be careful, just be careful. And this is a warning video. And another warning is warrants. As of, I believe this is May 6, 2020. Could be wrong on this, but as of May 6, 2020, there's a total of 25 million warrants, 7 million stock options, and 12 million of convertible debentures, which is, exercisable between 35 cents to 75 cents, 50 cents to $1.10, 40 cents to 65 cents. So when these get converted, what's going to happen? They're going to sell, and they're going to take their profit, and there's going to be a wealth transfer between the retail investors that pumped it up to the people that sold it, converted the debentures and then sold it at 40 to 65 cents. I guarantee you there will be a point where this stock just will tank real hard, just real hard. But that's just my opinion. I don't know for sure. Maybe these guys will be nice, and they'll be like, oh no, I think the stock will go to $15 or $20 or $25. I mean, there's a possibility, but it's a penny stock and it's going to be extremely volatile. I promise you this. I can't promise you this because I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not 100% sure. Nothing is 100% sure in the stock market. But maybe some rich people come in and just pump the stock to the moon and don't care about wealth transfer for the people that bought it at, 35 cents, 20 cents. Maybe, possibility. Just saying. And then you also have to be careful too about a reverse split. There might be a reverse split coming in the near future here for the stock. Why? Because of the NASDAQ listing. So what is the requirement for NASDAQ? Shareholders equity at least 2 million, at least 100,000 shares of public float. So they check. Minimum of 300 plus shareholders. That's probably a check. Total assets of $4 million. That's a check. At least 2 market makers. 2 market makers. How many market makers are you allowed on a stock? That's interesting. I should do more research on market makers. But I'm going to assume that's a check. Minimum of $3 minimum bid price of the company's stock. Well, the company's stock is not sitting at $3. It's sitting at $1.63. So I'm thinking that they might have to do a reverse split after they raise the money and dilute shareholders. So be warned. There could be a massive reverse split coming very soon for this stock, so they can list on the NASDAQ. So definitely be careful. That's just a warning because I have a feeling that there might be a reverse split and a public float market value of 1 million. Oh, that's way higher than $1 million because they have a public float of about $174 million. But anyways, this is a warning. I mean, sure, the company sounds cool. They make electric buses. They make electric vans. They already have a manufacturing facility, and I'm pretty impressed about the manufacturing facility because they worked on very limited amount of money, and they still managed to get a manufacturing facility up. And they are producing about 10 to 15 units per month. And with the capital raise of $35 million, they can update their facility, bring in more robotics, and maybe even increase that 10 to 15 units per month to maybe like 50 units per month. And really generate a lot of revenue in the future. They're beating Workhorse in revenues at the moment. So yeah, that's a big bonus. But anyways, this is it for my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.